Hello friends, in this video I am going to share essay on National Voters Day. Hope you will love it. 12th National Voters Day 2022. It is celebrated every year with a particular theme. It is not only encourages the youth to participate in the electoral process but also focuses that the right to vote is the basic right. This is the 12th National Voters Day 2022. National Voters Day History. 25th January is the foundation day of the Election Commission of India (ECI), which came into existence in 1950. This day was first celebrated in 2011 to encourage young voters to take part in the electoral process. No doubt, it is day to celebrate the right to vote and also the democracy of India. The Election Commission's main objective is to increase the enrollment of voters, especially the one who is eligible. National Voters Day Significance. India is a democratic country. Every citizen has the basic right to vote. He or she has the right to select their leader to whomever they think is capable of leading the nation, solve the problems of common people, bring about change, etc. National Voters Day is a significant root of India, as the future of the country lies in the leaders that we choose. Next, just think once that if we do not come forward and choose the right leader, then the progress and development of the country will be hampered and will also affect the people of the country. It is the leader of the country who decides various basic big projects and several things. If the basic system will not be developed properly, it. National Voters Day Theme. National Voters Day 2022 theme has not been decided yet. Previous year themes are given below. National Voters Day theme for 2021. Making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed. Theme for 2020. Electoral literacy for stronger democracy. Theme for 2019. No voter to be left behind. Theme for 2018. Accessible elections. Theme for 2017. Empowering young and future voters. Theme for 2016. Inclusive and qualitative participation. National Voters Day theme for 2015. Easy registration, easy correction. Thanks for watching this video.